This is just to show you how to move bits of pictures or text around in OneNote. As you can see, I've got a photograph here of the Windows background. If I just click on it, you'll see it turns to a wee cross and you can move it down. It's the exact same with text. You just click here and you'll see it's gone grey. You can pull that down and it will go behind and eventually come out underneath. So don't worry when you're moving things about to on Notebook. You can pull it down to the bottom or off to the side. And if you want to see everything on your screen as on one page, you can hide the tabs at the side by pressing this button here. Click on View, and then there's a page width button. If you click on that, that puts it onto one page. So you can see it's a test page, today's date, and there's some extra text. If I wanted to add some extra text, just click here and say, hello world. And then I can move that about. I can put it on top of this one, which isn't really sensible. Beside it, I just grab it and pull it underneath. I hope that helps.